Keto and Low Carb Cabbage Recipes book, Kindle edition, is a cookbook for anyone following a low-carb diet. With over 50 delicious recipes featuring cabbage as a star ingredient, this Kindle edition offers a wealth of options for those looking to add variety and flavor to their meals. One of the standout features of this cookbook, its focus on cabbage. Cabbage is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that is often underutilized in the kitchen. With recipes ranging from hearty soups and stews to refreshing salads and stir-fries, there is something for every taste and preference. Each recipe in the Keto and Low Carb Cabbage Recipes book is carefully crafted to ensure it fits within the guidelines of a low-carb diet. This means that all recipes are low in carbohydrates, making them perfect for those looking to maintain ketosis or a healthy weight. Click the link below to read more.